Splash, splash, where's my boy? Bath time brings so much joy. Rub-a-dub, 1, 2, 3. Where could little baby be? Mommy filled the tub today, bubbles floating all the way. Rubber duck is dancing too, but baby says, nope, not you. Where is baby? Where can he be? Peekaboo, 1, 2, 3. Hide and giggle, run away. Mommy finds him every day. Under the table, nice and low, tiny little toes still show. Baby giggles, hee hee hee. Mommy smiles, I still can see. Where is baby? Where can he be? Peekaboo, 1, 2, 3. Hide and giggle, run away. Mommy finds him every day. Behind the sofa, nice and tight, trying hard to stay out of sight. Teddy falls upon the floor. Mommy knows just where to explore. Behind the curtain, standing still, little feet peek out until curtain wiggles left and right. Baby laughs with all his might. Where is baby? Where can he be? Peekaboo, 1, 2, 3. Hide and giggle, run away. Mommy finds him every day. Laundry basket starts to shake. Bunny wobble, what a quake. Mommy softly lifts the lid. There you are, my silly kid. Bubble bubbles everywhere, floating softly through the air. Rubber duck says, come and play. Bath time makes a happy day. Splash, splash, bubble pop. Wash your knees from top to top. Wash your hands, wash your toes. Wash your tummy, wash your nose.